Do you think pineapples belong on pizza? Today I went to 7-Eleven in Japan, which has a nice variety of frozen food. I'm not sure who this man is, but today we're buying his pizza. At first glance it looks like a standard frozen pizza, but what caught my eye was the thick crust and the nice drizzle of olive oil. Of course you can cook it in the oven just as it comes, but I wanted to turn this into one of my all-time favorite pizzas. Hawaiian pizza, which was apparently invented in Canada and not Hawaii. Anyways, I know pineapples on pizza get a lot of hate, and that's because you simply don't enjoy pineapples as much as the rest of us, which is totally fine. But I think it's funny how there's a war of people who are strongly for and against it like it's some kind of political issue. All I'm saying is that pineapples can go on pizza, and if you think otherwise, you're entitled to your own wrong opinion. Alright, now I'm just getting carried away. But look at how delicious this Hawaiian pizza looks, straight out of my easy bake oven. I'm gonna cut it into slices to make it look like I'm sharing, but in reality, I'm just gonna eat it all to myself in one sitting. What would you rate this pizza? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for daily food videos from Japan.